a Mustang to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is actually an early one, 1964 and a half, but obviously considered 1965 Mustang. Particular car, 289 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, power top. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Grille, headlights, surrounds. Originally a Rangoon red car, has been repainted to actually Victory red. As you can see, paint does show well on this one. Red vinyl interior, bucket seats, automatic on the floor, so shifter in the center console. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, the trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Wanted to point out this spot. Maybe you could see it as walking around. A little bit of a touch-up paint area right there and a little bit of a dinger. Now, this particular car, Tex, when we went through the service inspection on it, torque boxes, a few spots on the underside do show some corrosion, some rust. I just wanted to announce that. The consignor of the car said go ahead and announce it. He's going to reflect it in the price. So down the road, may need a little TLC on the undersides. Check out the underside pictures. Feel free to call in. Check with any of the sales consultants when you check in, but we wanted to announce that, put that out there. Gentleman did drive it here from 30 miles away, so I mean it does run, go down the road all right. Just something that may need attention in the future. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, so you can see the underside, trunk, the top up, top down, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Obviously, you can see the dual exhaust coming out the rear, radial tires, American Racing, kind of torque thrust style wheels, and a polished finish. Take a peek up and down the driver's side here. Fun car to take in any of your roll-ins, local cruise-ins. Maybe just out for that Sunday drive. As far as the vinyl and everything, looks good on the seats. I really haven't noticed any rips, tears, or holes in those. At the end of this video too, I'll get the top up and we'll do a little video with the top up so you can see the condition of that. It is a black vinyl top. I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in that. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Wipers do work, had those working. There is an aftermarket set of gauges down here for oil pressure as well as water temp. You can see that was a cold start. Blower fan does work also for the heater, and there is an electric pusher fan underneath the hood in front of the radiator. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. No crazy obnoxious exhaust, anything like that. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I think I can get this hood one-handed here. And I tell you what, it's going to be a lot easier. Let me pause this a second. I'll pop the hood and we'll check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Alright, underside of the hood. And you can see strut tower brace has been added again. 289 V8, power steering, power brakes. You don't always see on the early cars. As well as that power top. So, got a nicely loaded Mustang here. Engine runs well. Like I said earlier, gentleman drove it here from about 30 miles away on consignment. Looking good underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to get that top up so we can check that out. And we'll wrap up this video after we check out the condition of the top. And here's the top up on it. Again, power top. Power top functions as it should. Black vinyl. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Have not noticed really any holes, rips, or tears in it. And you can check it out in the still pictures. Take your time looking around it. Should serve the purpose. You need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. I'm sure most of the time the car is driven, it'll be down enjoying the convertible. There you go, shot of the top. So yes, windshield says 1965, that's how it's titled. It's truly a 1964 and a half early built Mustang. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.